How to use avocado seeds to treat cellulite. Cellulite is one of the aesthetic problems that most commonly affects women. While men do suffer from it to a lesser extent, women are more likely to develop it due to the constant hormonal changes. The condition is characterized by the formation of small nodules of fat under the skin which, due to their hollowed appearance, is commonly known as orange peel skin. It tends to happen frequently for people who are overweight, but it can happen to anyone due to a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet and difficulties with the lymphatic system. While it is not considered a serious illness, many people seek to fight it through different methods because they consider it unattractive. Fortunately, as well as good diet and exercise, there are external remedies that can contribute to reducing it. In this article we want to recommend a treatment with avocado seed which helps to improve the appearance of the skin with regular use. Are you up for trying it? Treatment with avocado seed to fight cellulite. Using avocado seed as a complement to reduce cellulite is becoming more and more popular. Although there are conventional treatments with the same goal, this natural ingredient offers interesting results. Its main effects come from its ability to stimulate the elimination of liquids and improve the blood circulation, two factors which are fundamental for reducing the formation of nodules of fat and toxins. It also supports the process called lipolysis, which enables the breakdown of fats for their subsequent elimination from the body. Among other things, applying it with massages promotes the activity of the lymphatic system, which is in charge of a series of processes to remove toxins and waste that the body no longer needs. Treatment with avocado seed and olive oil. The basic preparation to fight cellulite with avocado seed only requires the addition of olive oil. Its oily texture helps with applying it to the skin, and its nutrients also give us a boost of benefits. Ingredients: 1 avocado seed, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 50 grams. Preparation: cut the avocado seed in half and grate it with the thick part of your kitchen grater. Put the grated avocado seed in a clean glass jar and cover it with olive oil. Mix the ingredients with a wooden utensil and cover the jar. Leave it to soak for 3 or 4 days in a cool, dark place. After this time, move the treatment to the fridge. Method of application: take a hot shower so that the pores open and absorb the treatment more easily. Then, rub the paste onto the areas affected by cellulite, making gentle circular massaging movements for 10 minutes. Leave the product on the skin for another 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Repeat every night before you go to bed. Treatment with avocado seed, oats and almond oil. Another interesting proposal to treat cellulite with this ingredient is to prepare an exfoliating cream with oats and almond oil. This combination offers us a complete anti-cellulite treatment, given that all of its ingredients nourish the skin and improve the circulation. Ingredients: 1 avocado seed, 2 tablespoons of oats, 20 grams. 5 tablespoons of almond oil, 75 grams. Preparation. Grate the avocado seed to enable it to be used. Put it in a glass container and mix it with the tablespoons of oats and almond oil. Mix it all well with a wooden spoon and, once you have a paste, cover the jar. Leave it to stand for 2 or 3 days and then proceed to use it. Method of application. As in the previous case, it is advisable to take a hot shower to open up the pores before using the product. Take the quantity you consider necessary and apply it on the problem areas, giving gentle massages for 8 to 10 minutes. Once you've finished the massage, leave the treatment on the skin for another 15 minutes. Rinse with tepid water and dry carefully. Repeat this application at least 3 times a week, preferably before going to bed. Are you fighting against cellulite? Do you want to improve the appearance of your skin? If you still haven't tried out this use for avocado seeds, spend a few minutes preparing these treatments and find out their benefits for yourself.